Turning Point Ministries International present a night of healing with Prophet Chris.
Healing rain is coming down.
Are you under oppression in life? Are you faced with the problem of late marriage? Are you sick and doctors have declared your case hopeless? Have you discovered you are under a curse? Do you always have sex in your dreams? Do you have any financial problems? Then make a date with us in this Healing All Night. Date 29th July 2011. Time 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. Venue within the NVT High School premises Kukumlimle or behind busy internet. Theme Night of Healing. For more information, please contact 020-911-0931 or 0242-301190, or you can get us on Facebook, Wind of Deliverance.